Yeet skeet, my dudes! It's Waifu, and today we are building the SD Sinaju. I hope you guys really enjoy this build. It's gonna be a quick one, but we can do that for a change. Doesn't always have to be high grades and master grades and all that. So let's get right into it. Next week we'll have a longer build. You guys will figure it out soon. If you want some details, you should jump over to my Instagram. That's where I keep up to date with all of you guys, and you guys can vote for which kit you want to do. This one is also one you voted for, so also thank you to my patrons. You guys help support my addiction, which I'm very grateful for. You also get in return some extra things like full resolution pictures or maybe some previews. Or if you're a bigger supporter, you also get some extras like shoutouts and stuff like that. So be sure to check out my Patreon, links is in the description, and see you again next week. Be sure to join me on my live streams on Wednesdays. We have a lot of fun together, so you guys, I can't do a live stream without you. See you. Bye bye.